Discussion of the differences of the different constitutions. First, what is constitution? The Constitution is defined as a set of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is governed. Thus, the word itself, constitution, means to be a part of a whole, the coming together of distinct entities into one group. With the same principles and ideals, these principles define the nature and extent of government. The 1897 Constitution of Biak na Bato was drafted during the Philippine Revolution against Spanish rule. Modeled after the Cuban Constitution, it was provisional in nature and written in Spanish and Tagalog, establishing a revolutionary government with a president and vice president elected by Katipuneros. Ginawa ito noong panahon ng Rebolusyong Pilipino laban sa pamahalaang Kastila. Binalangkas base sa konstitusyon ng Cuba, pansamantalang konstitusyon at isinulat ng Kastila at Tagalog. Itinatag ang isang revolusyonaryong pamahalaan na may pangulo at pangalawang pangulo na inihalal ng mga Katipunero. The 1935 Malolos Constitution was enacted during the First Philippine Republic after Spanish-American War. It was the first Republican Constitution in Asia, written in Spanish, declaring the sovereignty resides in the people, separating church and state, and establishing a parliamentary republic with a 4-year presidential term. Pinagtibay sa panahon ng unang republika ng Pilipinas pagkatapos ng digmaang Kastila-Amerikano, kauna-unahang republikanong konstitusyon sa Asya, isinulat sa Kastila. Ipinahayag na ang soberanya ay nasa taumbayan, pinaghiwalay ang simbahan at estado, at itinatag ang isang parliamentaryong republika na may 4 na taong termino ng Pangulo. The 1973 Constitution implemented during the Marcos regime following the declaration of martial law established a unicameral legislature, centralized power and limited civil liberties, creating a strong executive branch with extensive powers, including the ability to rule by decree. After the People Power Revolution, ito ay ipinatupad sa ilalim ng rehimeng Marcos matapos ideklara ang batas militar. Itinatag ang isang unicameral na lehislatura, sentralisadong kapangyarihan at nilimitahan ang mga kalayaang sibil. Nagtatag ng isang malakas na ehekutibong sangay na may malawak na kapangyarihan, kabilang ang kakayahang mamuno sa pamamagitan ng mga dekreto. The 1987 Constitution was enacted emphasizing human rights, checks and balances, and judicial review, re-establishing a bicameral Congress, strengthening the judiciary, and providing for a presidential system with term limits. Take note, each constitution reflects the political and social context of its time, with varying degrees of democratic principles and governance structures. Sa Tagalog, ang bawat konstitusyon ay sumasalamin sa political at social na konteksto ng kanilang panahon na may iba't ibang antas ng demokratikong prinsipyo at istruktura ng pamahalaan.